Hi friend, thanks a lot for visiting Winners YouTube channel. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe to enjoy many more videos uploaded by us. Thank you so much. This video is about how to cook rice on gas stove without using rice cooker. In this video, I am preparing 1 cup of rice that is enough for one person. So this is the cup we generally use to measure the rice quantity when we cook in rice cooker. So same cup I am using now. Wash the rice at least twice. Now add fresh water to the rice. Generally, we add 2 cups of water when we are preparing rice of 1 cup. But the normal process when we cook on gas stove, we have to add extra water. That is, now I am adding around 4 cups of water. When rice is about 90% cooked, we remove the excess water. Added 4 glasses of fresh water. Now switch on the gas stove and place the bowl on it. Allow to cook on medium flame. We have to stir the rice once or twice in the middle when the rice is cooking. When it is 90% cooked, we have to remove the excess water. So watch carefully. Rice is almost cooked, so I am removing excess water now. After removing excess water, place it back on gas stove on low flame. Allow it to cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Then switch off the gas stove. That's it. Rice is ready. Thanks a lot for watching the video. If you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe to enjoy many more videos uploaded by us.